Ano ba yung motibo ng mga killer na yan at bakit sunod-sunod na pinapatay itong mga barangay officials na ito? Ngayon, ilan niyang opisyal na namatay sa probinsya ng Pampanga? 7. Doon sa 7 namatay na yon, lahat ba yan personal grudge?
4 out of the 6 cases being heard today, sir, are allegedly arose from personal grudges, and 4 might be related to their work as public officials.
Kasi napakadali nating sabihin, ay kasi may kaaway yan, personal grudge yan. 7 yan, itong opisyal ng barangay, kagawad o barangay kapitan. So bakit puro politiko? Ganun na ba ngayon sa Pampanga, binabaril ang politiko? Ngayon, sa inyong investigation, ano naman ang nakita niyong motibo? Sa sunod-sunod, hindi lang dyan sa Lakyus yan, ba?
Yes, opo.
Okay, hindi lang sa Arayat yan, at doon pa sa ibang lugar. Ano kaya ang possible motive ng pagpatay sa mga barangay officials? Sa inyong investigation, anong lumalabas? Can you not share to the committee kung ano yung inyong initial findings? Ano ba yung motibo ng mga killer na yan at bakit sunod-sunod na pinapatay itong mga barangay officials na ito? Ayan ba ay may personal na alitan? Ayan ba ay may negosyong, may away sa negosyo? Di ba? And I think that should be included in the investigation. Di ba, RD?
I agree, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir. And based on the data provided by the provincial director, sir, 4 out of the 6 cases being heard today, sir, is arose from personal grudges, including the case of allegedly, including the case of Kap Lumbang, sir. And based on the data, sir, at least the background of the one of the suspects being named by the said witness is he is a member of gun for hire group operating in the province of at least the region of Region 3. But then again, sir, as I committed earlier, sir, I will personally look into this, sir, to find out whether or not this said witness was not coerced in any way to come up with a name to implicate in this case, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's a good point, RD. No? In fact, kasi interesting to know, no? Dapat alam ng investigador yan. Automatic yun. That's a, kumbaga, SOP niyo yun. Na unang-una niyong siyempre na alam kung ano, may witness ba doon sa krimen. Di ba? Meron bang nakakakilala dun sa suspect? Ano ba yung posibleng motibo? Dapat yun ang ano natin. Kung tatanungin natin siyempre yung pamilya ng biktima, maring they can share some ideas on what could be the possible motive in the commission of this crime. Ngayon, ilan niyang opisyal na namatay sa probinsya ng Pampanga? 7. Doon sa 7 namatay na yon, lahat ba yan personal grudge? Meron bang pattern kayong na-establish na bakit itong 7 ito ay puro barangay officials? Bakit itong 7 ito ay binaril sa harap ng ganyan? The same firearms ba? Ito ba ang suspect ba ay lahat galing sa isang gun for hire na group? RD?
Sir, like I said earlier, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, na 4 out of the 6 cases being heard today, sir, are allegedly arose from personal grudges, and 4 might be related to their work as public officials. But the evidence confiscated, at least recovered during the investigation, were already forwarded to forensic group to undergo forensic examination, particularly ballistics and cross-matching, to find out whether these killings is somehow related to one another. And we could also, based on that cross-matching report, sir, we could establish whether the suspect named and identified in these cases are came from one and the same group, sir. But as far as the data provided to me, sir, is only one case, particularly the case of Hipolito, sir, that there are indication that the suspect, at least majority of the suspects who remains at large as of this time, have military background. So this is a information that should be further reviewed and considered, considering that the alleged perpetrators have military backgrounds, and we don't want to presume that their military background are being used to perpetrate this crime, sir.
Could a possible motive be politika, RD? Base sa inyong impormasyon?
Sir, we cannot discount the possibility that these killings are all politically motivated. That is precisely the reason why I already directed the provincial director to dig deeper into these cases to find out that it's easy for them to say that personal grudges are the motives behind these killings, but we have to look into consideration whether these killings are all politically motivated, sir, because we really cannot discount this possibility, sir.
Oo, kasi I don't know, sa aking opinion, pinaka mabilis na excuse ay yung personal grudge. Di ba? Kasi napakadali nating sabihin, ay kasi may kaaway yan, personal grudge yan. But as you said, no, if you dig deeper, you'll be able to establish more possible motives. No? In this case, bakit ba opisyal ng barangay ito? They are politicians. So probably, there's a big possibility that this is politically motivated. Kung work-related naman, ano ba yung work ng barangay captain that would probably be a reason for them to be killed? Ano ba naman ang trabaho ng barangay kapitan? Ang barangay kapitan ba ay pwedeng mang-ipit ng mga negosyante doon sa lugar? So, I guess, no, as you said, kung titingnan ng mas malaliman, ma-establish nating mabuti. Ang nakapagtaka kasi, RD and PD, August pa yan nangyari. No? Hindi naman kayo magiging opisyal kung hindi kayo magagaling na investigador. Diba? I would probably understand a corporal or a PO, ano ba yung isa? PO3? O PO1, dahil yung experience yan ay hindi pa malawak. No? Pero sa inyo, alam nyo na yan Yun nga, pag may nabaril, dun sa lugar na yun, alam nyo na kaagad. On top of your heads, alam nyo na kung ano yung posibleng motibo. Bakit laging personal grudge ang nagiging dahilan? I think you should rule out, hindi pala rule out, no? I guess in order of priority, yung personal grudge siguro baka last yun no? At makakatulong diyan yung pamilya ng biktima. Di ba? Kung work-related nga, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, these are all barangay officials. Ano ba naman ang pwedeng magawa ng barangay officials na maaaring ikabuwis ng buhay niya? Aside from kalaban mo sa politika, iba naman yung ano doon. But please do not rule out the angle of politics dito. Because parang there seems to be a pattern. 7 yan. 7 opisyal ng barangay. Kagawad o barangay kapitan. So bakit puro politiko? Ganun na ba ngayon sa Pampanga, binabaril ang politiko? Diba? Parang malaking question mark kagad sa ating isipan yan. Yes, sige, PD.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, with regards to the 6 EGO, sir, dito, sir, sa case ni Lorenzana Liang, sir, medyo na-establish po natin yung possible motive niya is yung business, sir, parking business of the suspect. Considering, sir, na nalabasan po natin ng warrant of arrest yung 2 suspects. And then dito naman po kay Attorney Jerome Tubig, medyo na-establish din po natin, considering po na na-arrest po natin yung 3 suspects and 1 suspect is already behind bars, sir. Kaya ano po siya, land dispute, sir. So far, sir, sa 6 na EGOs, medyo na-establish po natin yung 2.
Yung 2?
Yes, sir.
So may 4 pa rin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yun pa lang ang puzzle pa hanggang ngayon?
Yes, sir. We will work on that, sir.
Okay. So that's all for the meantime, Mr. Chair. Thank you.